Hey everybody, it's Jennifer again at Irreverent RN, and I have some really exciting unboxing today. I have Gwynnie Bee, Try, Wear, Love, Repeat. And I have a package from Gilt. And have you used the Gilt app? It's amazing. They have all the, if you have expensive taste, but a thrifty wallet, sometimes you can find some nice things. So I'm excited. And I got a special treat. So from the Gabrielli Foundation that makes the Tieks shoes, they have sent a little something. They sent me a free mask. And I took advantage of the nurse. We had a discount, a really big, deep discount for the Tieks shoes for nurses. And so that was at the beginning of the pandemic. So I guess I'm on their mailing list. So they've sent a super cute little mask. It says the Tieks on it. It has a wire and adjustable straps. It's a cute mask, but hopefully we won't have to wear these much longer. Everybody gets their shots and then we'll party. So let's start off with Gwynnie Bee. Let's see what we got in this box. Return bag, so you can send it back when you're finished with it. And whenever you want. Gwynnie Bee's a subscription service, but it's like a rental. It's one of the original clothing rental services that has been around. And I've been a member probably since its beginning, almost since 2014. And I just love them. There have been some trying times, but things have seemed to be turning around, and I'm really loving what they're sending me right now. So this is green. I'm excited. Look at the Irish. Looks like it's a dress. I hope it fits. Let's see. Has a little stretch. It's London Times. It's partially unzipped, so that's interesting. I hope the zipper works. Yep, it works. It has a clasp there for the buttons. It'll look difficult to put on. So here we are. This is going to be one of those dresses that you're going to have to try on to see how it is. It's kind of short. It'll probably hit me just right above the knee. It's a deep green color. Like I said, this is a London Times 12, and sometimes London Times is a little sketchy on the sizing. This one feels like it has a lot of stretch, so it's probably gonna fit just right. So we'll see. That's my Gwynnie Bee dress. Cute. I love green. And I wonder where I could wear it right now. Pardon my voice. It's Texas, and its allergy season is super crazy right now. All right, let's open up this Gilt bag. Let's see if there's a perforation. Yep, there is. So, well, I had tried out some Hudson jeans from Trunk Club, and they were a little too big. And plus, the ones I liked were $117. So I went on Gilt and saw if they had any Hudson jeans. So I was able to find the smaller size of jean in a much lighter wash. So we'll see what these ones look like. And they're size 31. And you can see they're pretty light wash. What is amazing is I got these for $79.99, and there's the original price, $235. Hudson. And what pleases me is having a finished cuff. So here's the wash on these jeans. It does that little transition thing. Dark at the top and they get lighter as you go down, almost too white. So, let's see, they do have some stretch. They're the same Barbara jeans as they were the ones that I had from the trunk club. So I'm hoping they fit similar. I'm really pleased with these so far. So we'll just have to see how they fit. Okay, so now I've tried on the Hudson jeans. I'm wearing them with this hoodie I brought in the autumn from Zulily. It was one of those, how do you say, solo wine tasting inspired shopping sprees. So, but I still love it, it's cute. But let's see what these Hudson jeans look like on me. So not really, take some getting used to from this extreme transition in the color. Let's see, the back, and what do you think? They fit great, and they're like a really almost perfect length. I am a little shorty, so I'm used to having some wrinkles in the jeans. So I have a problem area right here, but I think we all do have our problem areas. I don't feel like it's exaggerated, but I don't know. We'll see. I don't know. What do you think? All right, so I'm back with my Gwynnie Bee dress, the green London Times dress in a size 12, and I am really happy with it. Wearing dresses is where I feel the most confident and most comfortable in. I've probably mentioned in other videos that I'm a chronic overdresser, but that's nothing wrong with that. I wear pajamas to work every day, so wearing nurse scrubs. So I'll show you. I paired it with my hot pink Tieks that I got from the nurse's promotion. So let's take a look at this outfit. Yep, I predicted it was gonna be just right above the knee, and it is, and it looks cute. And yeah, I do feel pretty, and I feel sexy in it. It's a gorgeous dress. It is heavier, so if I'm gonna wear it, I gotta wear it this month and send it back before the summer dresses come. So, loving this dress. It's cute. Wow. I hope you like it too.